have another Temu review here. This is a aluminum alloy tape measure. It was $3. It's actually pretty good. Solid body, comes with a regular keychain on here. It only measures up to 4 feet, inches and centimeters. Get a little warning there. Don't go too far because it will pull out. It's not really like your traditional, it does have like a spring where it wants to coil back in, but not a crazy amount like some other tape measures. So you can kind of go back slow sometimes. Although the more you've been using it, the more it seems to retract back faster now. So maybe it just needs to be exercised a little bit. In the front of the case, there's also a couple ticks there. Look like centimeters to me. Don't really weigh that much either.